everybody, it's your girl Allie, and guess what? I have got a brand new video for you. I am going to share with you something new that I just got. You got it. I finally got me a microphone that I can use for recording. This is made by Blue. This is the Snowball iCE in the color black. This is a picture, of course, of the box so that you can kind of see. This is the front of the box. The Snowball black iCE. It's a plug and play USB microphone. This is what the front of the box looks like. This is what the top of the box looks like. Of course, this is the side of the box. Shows you a picture here of the actual microphone. It's got a three-prong stand. The Snowball black iCE. It's got crystal clear audio for Skype calls and Twitch streams. You can create professional sounding podcasts and YouTube videos. You can record instruments, vocals, and entire bands with stunning quality. That's what they say. You can easily plug it into your laptop or your desktop, your Mac or your PC with no drivers that you have to download or install. And you're set to be able to get right to it. This is what the back of the box looks like. It's also good for gaming, I understand. It's got a cool sound. It's got a custom condenser capsule offering crystal clear audio. It's got a USB cable that comes in it, and it's also got the adjustable desktop stand that also comes with it. And this is what the side of it looks like, the side of the box, that is. So I'm really excited about this new purchase that I've made. And I'm hoping that it will help the quality of some of the videos that I'm going to be doing by making sure that the sound is easy for you to hear as you watch some of the videos that I'll be making whenever I use this. Also, it's very inexpensive. There is a link that will be in the description. You can click the link in the description to get this item from Amazon online if you're interested in it. Really great item. And I'm eager to see. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I'm really excited. A friend of mine recommended it, and he said that it's really good. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this turns out. So again, this is made by Blue, and it's the Snowball iCE in the color black. So hang with me, and we'll get this thing open. All right, so let's see what we've got in this box here. Let's go ahead and get this box open. See what we've got going on in here. So, what have we got in here? This is what it looks like, our unboxing. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so we got a little bit of trash. Set that to the side. And here we go. So this is our actual microphone. You can kind of see it right there. It's got the nice round top to it. You can also see on the side here where it's got the Snowball iCE written on it. A little bit of a logo there. It's got Blue, which is the manufacturer. And we'll sit that right here for now. And then this is our stand. It's like it's got a three-prong stand here. So let's sit this right here. It's got, okay. And then you just screw this in. Looks like we screw this in. You go ahead and screw this in real tight. There we go. All right. You can kind of adjust it the way you want it. The head does move. Once you secure it in there, you can rotate the actual mic. You can see there's a little red spot up here at the top to indicate when it's on. And let's see, you can adjust this size or the height that you want. And then it looks like this is the actual USB cable that we've got that will go into our laptop. And then we will be just about ready to go. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and get this all set up here. So we turn this around, and then you take this board here and you just go right in like that. You just kind of plug it in like that. And then you got your USB right here. So it looks like we've got everything that we were expecting. And we also have we have a quick start guide that came in the box as well. It talks about the product registration on the back side of it here. You can also see there's a couple of pages in here telling you how to get started with the Snowball iCE, frequency response, a polar pattern, and the fact that it records studio quality vocals. You can do podcasting, you can do game streaming, you can do Skype, you can do music. This just kind of gives you an overview of the item. It's also written in Spanish, as well as some other languages to be able to help the many customers. It's available in English inside of this owner's manual or quick start guide. English, French, Spanish, Italian, Chinese, and Japanese. That's what they've got. All right. And let's see. Also, this is information just about the safety of it. So there you have it. So here we go. This is what it looks like. And we're about to go plug this thing up and get going. So hang with me. All righty, everybody. We are ready to follow the next steps in the process. I did go ahead and bring my laptop over to set it up in a nice condensed way so that you guys can kind of follow along with me and we can continue the process of trying out our new microphone. So the first step, they say that we're to connect the USB cord to the PC. So I'm going to plug that up. The red light has come on. You can see it right there. Hopefully you can see that. That's indicating that it's on. The next step is to, from the start menu, select the control panel. So we're going to go over here to the start menu. And I did go in here and look beforehand, and we do not have a control panel in here. So in order to get to where they're directing us to go, we had to click on settings, which is what I just did, instead of control panel. From the control panel, select the sound icon. So like I said, there is no control panel. We went into settings, which is basically the same thing, where you can see it's got setting or system. Within settings, we went to system, and it's got display, sound, notifications, and power. So I clicked on system, and from system I went down to sound, and then from sound I just basically started testing it, and went into here, and you can see the test your microphone, testing 1 2, testing 1 2. So the microphone is working. And so since there's no recording tab in here, we had to actually go back to the startup menu and go to, within my PC, go to voice recorder, and it brought up this option. And so we're going to do a voice recording. So we just, to record, we just click this little button here. And we are testing. We're testing 1 2, testing 1 2. We are live in the house tonight, but it's being replayed on YouTube for our YouTube family out there. We are recording this so that the viewers can get a peek and get a listen to what the sound quality of the blue black ice recording microphone is all about. The Snowball iCE. So we're going to try that out. We're going to play it back real quick. Okay, everybody. So here we go. I'm going to play this back for you.
And we are testing. We're testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2. We are live in the house tonight, but it's being replayed on YouTube for our YouTube family out there. We are recording this so that the viewers can get a peek and get a listen to what the sound quality of the blue black ice recording microphone is all about. The Snowball iCE. So we're going to try that out. We're going to play it back real quick.
Okay, everybody. There you have it. Like I said, this is the Snowball iCE. It's in the color black. This is made by Blue. And the sound quality sounds pretty good to me. I don't have any issues with it. I'll be using it to record YouTube videos, maybe do some audio soundtracks with it. But from what I need it for, it's good to go. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. You are tuned into Allie's View, where I'll show you some of the items that I'm acquiring, picking up along the way, share food and fun, fellowship, family, faith, and of course, finances. So if you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Please share this channel, spread the word, hit that subscribe button, please, and become a member of our family. We'd love to have you here. Again, this is Allie's View, and you just saw my review of the Snowball iCE by Blue, the microphone. I like it. I say get you one.